You have two options. In one of them, you are set to make proper use of your life, whereas in the second, it is said to live your life in the faith of God. Surely, you will prefer the first option. In this regard, Italian author Aretino says, "You are indeed a king if you know to rule yourself." People want their life in their hands. But this to be possible, the first important thing is self-control. According to many observations, it has been seen that a person who adopts self-control in their life, three beneficial changes are clearly visible in them. Number 1. Self-control builds congruence in one's behavior. Number 2. It makes you able to take proper decisions. Number 3. Increase probability of your success. Besides knowing these benefits, self-control can be challenging for you, but it is possible. Let's know the best 5 techniques which work in the improvement of self-control. First and the most important method for self-control is mind boosting. Self-control is just like a daily exercise. It needs your attention. Assign a time period for setting up your mind to give your attentive efforts. Prioritize things to make a list for every day, week and month. Create a to-do or not to-do list. So when you are feeling overwhelmed, you know that you are making progress and can do very well. It makes you feel more in control because feeling heavy and as things get out of your control only leads to clutter, stress and wasted time. The second method is the most powerful method of self-control, which is revealed from many studies. That is bad habits breaking. Bad habits are the biggest obstacle in our way. Usually, it easily becomes your part of life. But removing it is the most difficult thing for anyone. We all have some bad habits that we wish to get rid of once and for all. First of all, you have to know your bad habits. As much as possible, stop putting yourself in situations where your triggers thrive. Before entering any of those situations, start scrutinizing the consequences and rewards of your habits. And say a word, I don't, to your mind. Stick to this strategy of one by one removal. Try to break all habits at once. Can end with no consequence. After successfully breaking a bad habit, reward yourself and start giving your attention to another habits. It's become so easy for you that you will start enjoying it. The third way of self-control is profitable for both successful and meaningful life, which is goal setting. If you work without goal, then self-control will be dissolved soon. Choose a goal which will always inspire you, motivate you to work towards it. Your goal should be clear and well defined. Fuzzy or generalized targets are unclear because they do not provide sufficient direction. Remember, you need a goal to show you the way. As far as you want to go, make it easy to define exactly where you want to reach. Ultimately, it will pave you to lead a successful life. The fourth method without which all the efforts in the way of self-control will become effortless. That is progress measurement. Just being busy and working doesn't mean we are getting anything done. We need to analyze how far we are from our goal and whether our efforts are working in the way of it. While monitoring your progress, you know about your shortcomings and further you find ways to overcome these shortcomings. Last and the most important mode is self-forgiveness. Everybody makes mistakes. It's natural. Let's go, move on and forgive yourself. Many a times you are going to fail. Failing is a part of life. Punishing yourself for it doesn't work for it. Try to learn from each mistake and figure out why it happened. Success consists of patience, honest efforts, and self-confidence. Keep working without losing hope. Ultimately, leads you towards your true happiness. People with higher levels of self-control spend less time on debating whether to engage in behaviors that are harmful to their health and are able to make positive decisions easily. They do not let impulses or emotions decide their choice. Instead, they make sober decisions. As a result, they feel more satisfied with their lives.